Guys, hi guys, Mission speaking. Here guys, I'm on AUDUSD DFX 200. So as you can see guys, I just wanted to make some analysis here. Let's look on here guys. Right, so you can see here guys, the market made the break of structure in the daily time frame. So you can see here guys is the H4 internal. So H4 switched bearish. Let's look on here guys, let's pay attention. Okay, so here is H4 switching bearish and making lower low and lower high. So let's look on here guys. This is the pure definition of greatness guys. H4, this was a strong high of H4, which means no matter what happens, we're expecting for H4 to not break out of this high, right? Okay, okay, this was the internal structure of daily time frame. So we were looking forward to take trades at this level here, to sell on daily time frame, to continue bearish, right? So as you can see guys, it depends on which time frame are you trading. So you can see if you are trading a daily time frame, you won't miss this. Look on here, if you are really trading daily time frame, you won't miss this. So you can see for weekly time frame, to switch bearish, it's supposed to break here. You can see it's just a pullback on that time frame. So here guys, we're looking forward to see this market pushing all the way to the downside. This is a daily time frame. So let's look on weekly. You can see for weekly to switch bullish, weekly is supposed to break here, which means if we are seeing here, if weekly break out of this high, then we know that it's a pullback. Now the weekly is bullish. Weekly is bullish. Then we'll wait for this to happen on a weekly time frame, right? So this is the structure of the weekly time frame. So, but I'm just talking about the weekly time frame. So this has nothing to do with a daily time frame. So right now guys, I'm on a daily time frame. What are we expecting? You can see that on this we are playing inside this range here. Okay, I'm expecting to see the market coming straight to this level here. You can see we have a weak low at this point. I will not throw it on this bottom. I'll just throw it here because I want it to be visible so you can see it clearly. So right now guys, the only thing that I'm waiting for, I'm just waiting for the market to push all the way to this point. So which means this is what I'm expecting on AUD USD DFX 200, I mean 120. So you can see, so okay, right now guys, we can see that this is a H4 time frame. So okay, so right now guys, let's pay attention to this. We can see how the market went all the way to the upside. This was serious movement. You can see daily candles, 1 2 3. We have 3 candles that are clear, and those candles guys were powerful. Okay, let's wait on this. So right now guys, I'm waiting for the market to push all the way to this level. I don't believe on seeing the market breaking out to the downside. This can happen guys. I can expect to see something like this, market to push all the way to the upside. So there is high possibility for this to happen. The only reason that I have is that the impulse movement that we had. So it can be a reason for the market to continue to go to the upside. So okay, let's go to the daily a daily time frame. So I mean a 4-hour time frame. So we can see at this point guys, for 4 hours to switch bearish, 4 hours supposed to break here. This is a 15 minutes hello. So which means if we break here, then 15 minutes is switching bearish. So right now guys, we can see here the market is switching bearish. So right now guys, okay, let me just show you here. So right now guys, at this point, okay, I'll just take it from here. From here guys, we are on a sell, so we can just take trades from there and hold them. So you can see from this point on this level, you can take profit on this point, because on this level is where we're having a demand zone. Okay, let me just turn it like this. Maybe it can be in this color, so you can see the level where we'll be targeting our trades. So because here guys is the area where market will make reactions, but the market will not reverse to go upside to break. The market will make reactions upon those levels. So okay, so right now guys, the only level that we are targeting, let's take trades from here, then we target this level. So it's the area where we'll be seeing a movement. There is high possibility for the market to make a serious movement to this level and continue. This can be a liquidity zone, or it can be a serious zone of a reaction. For the market can break and comes to this level and continue with the buys. So, but let's wait for this movement, guys. If anything can happen from here, or the market can break to the downside because of the high time frame. So, a high time frame can drop till it breaks this level and makes a lower low. So let's take trades from here and wait for the market to reach this area. So then I will be knowing which information am I going to give you. So, but here, guys, if the 15 minutes is going to switch bearish, then we will trade 15 minutes. 15 minutes switching bearish, which means we will sell. We will not look for a H4, so we will sell and hold our trades. So let's wait for this to happen, guys. I will just take trades and show you how the market plays out.